checking in, letting you know we're okay. We are here in the condo. We are mostly unpacked. The rooms are tiny. Oh, these bedrooms are small, and the CR is, I've had closets bigger than that CR, but hey, that was our choice for moving here. Um, this is big enough for the desk. That one's big enough for the bed. What do you want? It's good enough. Living room's nice. Kitchen's okay. We're working on it. So we're here. We're unpacking. We're getting settled in, trying to organize my desk. Um, that's about it. So we'll be getting some filming done out here as I start exploring the city. So hopefully we'll get some more fun videos out soon. I ain't done nothing in a week or so, or a couple weeks, because it's all just been packing and moving. So we're really falling behind. But this had to be done, and I'm enjoying it. So if the sun would come up, I'd go swimming. Don't want to go swimming in the rain. Why not? If you're getting wet, why not swim in the rain? It's one of the great mysteries of life. We made it to the city. So far, I'm liking it. We have been here just under a week. We have mostly unpacked. There are 2 boxes of dishes that there's nowhere to put them because the house, the condo, whatever, the owner has done nothing. They've done nothing to this unit since it has just the counters that were built in by the construction. There's no counters up high, no cabinets, I mean. There's no extra counter space. This owner did nothing to this unit. They said it was a bare unit, and they're not kidding. So we have nowhere to unpack our dishes. We got some dishes in the dish drainer that we are using, and it's enough to use daily. But all our extras, all our, there's nowhere to put anything. We're looking for some cabinets. We found one we like. There's a store called 1688. That happens to be the address, and it's big numbers across the front, so that's what everyone calls it. It probably has a different name. New Ginsu or something, New Genesis or one of those. All the Chinese stores are named kind of like that. But their credit card machine has been down for 2 weeks. They took Melanie's number and said they would text when it comes back up. Of course, I didn't believe that. They did. A week ago, they texted her. They said the credit card machine is up. So we go back because we're going to buy a few things. It's going to be a lot of cash. So I'd rather just throw it on the card because it's easier. For big stuff, I don't like pulling out wads of cash. I'd rather put it on the card than just pay the card because then it's all electronic and I don't have to jack with it. They actually texted her and said it was working. So we go, we pick everything out again because we did it before when we found out it wasn't working. Picked everything out. They've already started wrapping it in cardboard. They're getting ready to put it on a truck. They're running the credit card. No connection. We're like, they thought it was working. So they're going to hold the stuff back for us because it was the last one. One of the cabinets we wanted. It is their last one. So because I've been there, 3 times by now trying to get them, they said they will hold it for us. They'll leave it wrapped up, set aside with our name on it until it gets fixed. Now, I know this is a cash-based society mostly here, but it's one little freaking credit card reader, How does that take over 2 weeks to get fixed? I have no idea. So we can't unpack the kitchen yet. There's a few things I'm ordering on Shopee. I'm going to go pay for those in just a minute. I pay for them at 7-Eleven. Or you could do COD. The problem with COD is you have to be here. You need to have change. This way, it's paid for. They can drop it off at security. We have at the clubhouse, there's a security. There's some staff. They're not really a concierge, but I kind of call them that because I don't know what else they are. There's some staff that work there and they help us do things. I was asking the lady about COVID vaccine. You have to get it through your barangay. And I'm like, well, no one in the barangay here knows I'm here because we just moved here. And I don't even know where the barangay hall is yet because generally I wouldn't care. And she said she's going to contact the barangay, let them know we're here, find out how to get on the list for the vaccines whenever they get here. So they're not really a concierge, but they act as one. I'm not sure what their job is. We take our laundry to them. They take it off to the laundry place and bring it back. No extra charge. Uh, 30 pesos a kilo. And I did one yesterday, my first laundry. And I would expect it to be by kilo, one at a time. So it would be 30, 60, 90, like, no, I get the bill back. It's like 172.50. Like 170. That's not divisible by 30. They charged us for like, I don't remember what it was. It was like 5.73 kilo. I mean, they went to the exact weight and multiplied that out by 30. And I was like, I would not have expected that. So it was actually cheaper than I thought because I would assume, because I knew it was over 5 kilos, I thought it would roll up to 6, but it doesn't. I was like, that was a weird number. So it's like, well, I don't have change. Here's 200. Because the lady that takes it over there, or do they just call and have the laundry people come pick it up? I don't even know how it's done. We drop it off at the pool, at the clubhouse. A couple hours later, we come pick it up. And if you don't come pick it up, they'll bring it to your door. So it's easy. We will be doing some laundry here. We have a little rack. If you open the windows, because this is a corner unit, we get this really good cross breeze. So we have a small laundry rack. We will do some laundry here. Most of it, I would just assume at, honestly, 30 pesos a kilo. That's 2.25 pounds for 60 cents. Send that shit out. What's the point? She wants to buy the little small washer, and I'm like, we can if you want, but why? But so far I'm digging it. I love being here in the city. It's so much more relaxing for me. I can go outside. We got the traffic, we got the people, we got the noise, and it's like being home. It's like, yeah, because that country living is not for me. Everyone, all the neighbors and cousins and aunts, I was like, why are y'all leaving your house? Why are y'all leaving your house? And I'm just, because I'm bored. They're like, but it's your home. I'm like, if I have a home, it's 8,000 miles away. That's where my friends and family are anyway. Around here, any place is kind of the same for me. I like the people in that neighborhood, but it's like I've been there for a few years. It's a temporary house. They're like, but it's your home. It's like, it was rent free and I like that, but it was boring as fuck. So I am much happier here. Been going out to lunch with some other foreigners. There's quite a few foreigners in the building. Building down the road's got some. Met a few that have houses. Houses are a much better deal. They are larger and cheaper. But I just wanted to try the condo for a while. I'm digging it. I like having the little concierge down there. I like the pool and the gym and being right on the river. I'm digging it. I'm really liking it so far. Give me a couple months. We'll see how it goes. It's quiet. The only problem we have, and I think it's because it's been vacant for so long, is we have a lot of ants in here. We put out some ant chalk and they went away. But I'm like bitten up like crazy. I got bites all over. There's a lot of ants. But, I haven't been doing a lot on videos because we've been busy unpacking. We've been here almost a week and I've only done one walk around the river. But it's a pretty good circuit. They're trying to make it one way. So to go all the way around, it's about 4 kilometers close to it. So it's a decent walk to do it one time around. That's pretty good walk. I could easily do it twice because it's an easy walk. It's flat, it's smooth. There's a lot to look at. It's a really cool walk to do. So I've only done it once because we've been unpacking, and the days we're not unpacking, we're lazy. So, and yesterday I went out to lunch. One of the guys I know here had another foreigner friend from Singapore that had seen some other videos and wanted to meet. So we all went. We were going to start for lunch. So we ate lunch, hung out for a little bit, went to another place, like a little coffee house, to sit down and have a drink. He says that's a Singapore thing. You move around restaurant to restaurant. Well, cool, we'll do that. So then we moved, had little snacks, and sat there. Then it just started raining hard. It just came. We were walking between the restaurants, and I was like, it's looking kind of dark. And a few minutes later, it was just this torrential downpours. And I thought this was supposed to be the dry season. So we were kind of trapped. So we stayed all afternoon waiting for the rain to stop and, ordered a couple more drinks. They were drinking coffee and tea, and I had Coke and water because I hate coffee and tea. Fried bananas were good. It was not a bad day. And then the rain just kind of kept not stopping. So we ended up ordering dinner. Yeah, we started at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We met for lunch. Then we moved to the little Madge's coffee shop. And about 6:30, we ordered dinner. We were just stuck. The other one, the guy from Singapore, lives over in Vilia. It's the last borough that's still technically Iloilo. So it's not real far, but in the rain on a bike would suck. So he was finally like, it was getting late. He's like, I'm going to leave the bike and take a taxi. He's like, I'm not riding in this. I'll come back tomorrow for the bike. But we hung out, ended up being like 6 or 7 hours, because once the rain started, it just kept going. Now today is kind of cloudy. I can hear the rain that hits the air conditioner at the little window unit. I can hear these little tink, 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 little bit of rain. So I'm not in any hurry to go to the store, but I need to go do some shopping. So life's tough, ain't it? We're on Sky Cable, and it's running like 30 meg per second download, and 10 or 11 meg upload. So it's freaking amazing. I've never had speeds this good, even in the US. I didn't have speeds this good. So I'm happy with that. Got Disney and Netflix and all that streams wonderfully. She's got Sky Cable also comes with TV because it's cable. It's on fiber. Globe has fiber in this building, and it is the same price for the internet. But Sky, at the same price, includes the 30 channel basic cable. And that's all we need, because she doesn't watch a whole lot and I don't watch any. So the 30 channel basic, as far as I'm concerned, is pretty much free, because we'd pay the same price either way for the internet. And I've never been happy with anything from Globe. So I thought I'd try Sky. Don't know if they're going to be better. Don't think they can be much worse. So I'm happy to be on a different company. So far, it's working wonderfully, and boy, is it fast. So that's a good thing. People have asked for live videos. I suppose now that I have good internet, I'll have to figure out when and how to do that. I also have no idea what to talk about in a live video. So I'd have to set up a way of seeing the chat so I could actually talk to people. Not that complicated. I'm sure I can figure it out. I just couldn't do it out there where I was. Boracay had better internet than where we were on the rice field, but still not that good. This, so far, has been very dependable. When the windows are closed, it is not a problem. But if I ever get lonely, I can open the windows and I can hear the pigs and the roosters from the squatter area that's off behind the condo. So if I need to hear some roosters, which I probably never need to hear roosters, I can do that. Mostly I just open it for the cross breeze, and hearing the roosters and the pigs is a side effect. Not a bad thing though. So I'm going to go to the store, do some shopping. We need some shelving. I have to find something somewhere. And it's all good.
Enjoy your day in paradise.